Hey guys, let's see how to create a sale order in a few minutes. So let's head over to the sales module. Now you can see this is the dashboard of quotation. By clicking on the new option in Odoo 19, first of all, you need to create a quotation. After onwards, you can simply confirm that into a sale order. So let me specify with the customer name, which is ABC Traders. There you can see defaultly Odoo is giving you the invoice address and the delivery address if that particular customer have that inside your DP. And now you can see this is the expiration date for this particular quotation. This is the price list that if you guys need to give any kind of seasonal orders, you can put them. And there is the payment and terms. Under that, there you can see that we have a drop-down menu. You can choose any kind of payment terms, how you need to get the money from your customer in how much the specific period of time. So let me provide it as an immediate payment. After onwards, there we have two tab, which is an order line, and also there we have other information. Moving on to the order line tab, I'm going to provide the product that I want to sell to the customer ABC Traders. I'm providing the product which is chair. We can simply specify with the quantity, how much quantity that we are going to sell. I'm just providing it as 5 quantity. This is the unit price of one of my product, which is 300. And totally it's adding, there you can see for 3 product, there we have $1,500. And here you can simply include any kind of sales tax. And now you can see this is the untaxed amount and this is with including the tax amount. After onwards, you can simply confirm this particular quotation into a sale order very easily by clicking on the confirm option. Ta-da, you guys have just created a sale order in Odoo 19. So that's it. Bye-bye.